In this lecture, we explore the Big Bang model, the scientific explanation of how our universe began and evolved through time. Where did the universe come from? Different perspectives exist: religion, philosophy, and science. Today, we focus on the scientific explanation. Many people think the Big Bang was an explosion, happened at one location, or that the universe has a center. All of these are misconceptions. Cosmology is the study of the universe as a whole, its origin, evolution, structure, and ultimate fate. A scientific model is a simplified representation of reality, based on observations and physical laws, helping us understand complex systems. Earlier, the universe was believed to be static and eternal. Modern observations later showed that this view was incorrect. The Big Bang model states that the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago in a hot, dense state and has been expanding ever since. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was the expansion of space itself. A useful analogy is raisin bread. As the dough expands, raisins move apart, not because they move, but because space expands. The universe has no center. From any point, all galaxies appear to move away, making every observer seem at the center. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was extremely hot, dense, and energetic, conditions beyond anything we experience today. The expansion is driven by initial conditions and the dynamics of spacetime, described by Einstein's theory of general relativity. The universe evolved through stages, from particles to nuclei, atoms, and eventually stars and galaxies over billions of years. In the earliest moments, extreme temperatures led to the formation of fundamental particles like quarks, electrons, and neutrinos. Within minutes, protons and neutrons combined to form light nuclei, mainly hydrogen, helium, and small amounts of lithium. About 380,000 years later, electrons combined with nuclei to form neutral atoms, allowing light to travel freely. Gravity caused matter to clump, leading to the formation of the first stars and galaxies. This sequence, particles, nuclei, atoms, and structures, explains how the complex universe emerged from simple beginnings. Key evidence supporting the Big Bang includes cosmic microwave background radiation, abundance of light elements, and the expansion of galaxies.